Let me show you how you can stop typing in your customers' details manually and make them appear, just like magic, with one simple click. The first thing we need to do is to create a dynamic drop-down list that updates automatically whenever new customers are added to our master sheet, which contains all the details of every customer. To achieve this, we can use the unique function and reference the customer name column. Next, we'll return to the cell where we want our customer names to appear, click on Data, then Data Validation, and select List. In this section, reference the entire spilled range by clicking on the cell containing the formula and adding the hash sign right next to it. Remember, the hash sign ensures that the entire spilled range is considered for our list. Awesome! Now in the cell right below, type in the filter function. For the array argument, we specify all the columns that we want to filter, those ranging from the street address to the customer email. For the include argument, select the customer column and set it equal to cell E11. This ensures we only filter the entries for the specific customer selected. Now close the parentheses and take a look at what happens. Whenever we change the customer's name in our dynamic drop-down list, we automatically get back all the customer's information. Finally, to change the direction of our outcome, wrap the entire formula inside the toCall function. And there you have it, all your customer's information with just one simple click.